Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open Figma and create or duplicate a file to preserve the original. This protects design intent. Next, invite teammates by email or generate a team link and assign edit versus view roles so permissions match responsibility. Once done, create clear pages, layout, components, research, so everyone knows where to place work. You'll reduce conflicts and speed review cycles when structure is obvious. Make sure to name layers and frames consistently. That small habit prevents confusion later. You work together in real time using live cursors to see who's editing what. This prevents duplicate efforts. When discussing changes, drop targeted comments on elements and assign someone to resolve each thread, so feedback becomes action. Meanwhile, lock completed frames or components to prevent accidental edits, and publish component updates to the team library so everyone uses the same building blocks. Once published, remind teammates to accept updates. That keeps designs consistent across files and speed. You finalize designs by exporting required assets and sharing dev spec links. Make sure component versions are published and documented. Then conduct a final review in FigJam or with pin notes inside the file so stakeholders sign off in one place. If something goes wrong, sync issues, or missing edits, first check permissions and file size limits, then review version history to restore work. If needed, communicate changes in the file's comment threads so everyone knows what was recovered and why.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.